vector candles and hammer floating stars and all that stuff. You don't need to know all that stuff. Support, resistance, trend lines. That's it. Keep it simple. That's my motto. Keep it simple. I break down everything that other mentors, they say, but they never explain. That's what we do here in this channel. I explain the who, the what, the where, the when, and especially the why. For me, the why is the most important, and that's what we do here. So we do this every single day, well, Monday through Monday, at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just know that when we have several days of red, that's the time you want to buy if you're an investor. If you're a trader, you want to wait for it to break an area of resistance. You always want to have a plan A, plan B. You have to. And this is why I don't like patterns, because with patterns, you have the measured move. With the measured move, you know, even though it's 68% chance, 74% chance, whatever chance it is, it's more than 50. So automatically my brain is biased. My brain is biased that it's gonna go up. Inverse head and shoulders, gonna go up. If it's a cup and handle, gonna go up. So instead of doing that, instead of trying to predict, what I do, plan A, plan B. It will find support until it doesn't. It will be resistance until it isn't. So once it breaks those levels, then we have to adjust our plan. We don't change it. We have to adjust our plan based off of what the current situation is presenting. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Nothing wrong with getting stopped out. Nothing wrong with losing. Losing is part of the game. But what I do is I show you everything so that when you do lose, this is the important part. You're not thinking to yourself, man, what's wrong with me? Or this group that I'm in, why is it that they're always showing all these results, all these, 80% gains, 45% gains, 120% gains, and I'm losing? That group may be posting 10, 20 charts a day, and that's nothing, guys. That's nothing. Wait till the bull run, to the actual bull market. Everything is so great. Then you're going to see they're going to post 20 to 25 minimum a day. This website, Investopedia, I strongly recommend checking it out. Check it out. This is where I got the majority of my information when I first started. Soon, in about a year and a half, 2 years, the people that you were kind of talking to or trying to talk about crypto, they're going to be asking you. Usually that's going to be in, I want to say October, November of 2025. Mark my words, save this. October, November 2025, you're going to see a lot of people asking you about crypto. That's when you need to be scaling out of your trades. Now, very important, do not listen to any mentor, any YouTuber that tells you that it's going to be an extended cycle. I got duped last time. I won't let that happen again. First time, shame on me. Second time, it won't happen again. Patience will pay off. Patience will make you so much money and reduce you losing so much money.